Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're back to the regular sets. Rage of the Abyss, still have 3 packs to be opened, so without further ado, let's open those and see what we get. Also, set is way easier because there's not as many different varieties. So let's see what we get. And we're starting off with this first secret rare, a Primate Lordly Load. On to the next one we go. Next one we have a Primate Drill Beam for Ultra Rare. Did I start the wrong side? All the excitement at the beginning of the video. That's not good for watch time. A final bringer of the end times, which I don't really care about, by the way. The watch time, not the final bringer. We have a number C32, Shark Drake Levice. And that's it here. On to the next pack, where we have a Metal Illusionist. And that's it. Next pack with a Drake Shark. We already know that one. As usual, I've started on the right side, where we get an area the water channeler, not the witch channeler. On to the next one. With a Heos Varrock, the Mechanical Dawn. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go. We have a Scourge of the White Forest. And we're on to the next pack with a Mimighoul Slime. On to the next one with a Metal Soa X. And that's it here. On to the next pack we go with Le Virtue Dragon. And that's it here. Right side done. Switching to the left side now. Let's see what we get. We get a Battle Wasp, Grand Partisan, The Revolution. As well as a Fiendsmith's Agnamdae. In the next pack we get a Legendary Lord, 6 Samurai Shi En. Lovely. Moving on. We get a Firestorms over Atlantis. On to the next pack we go, where we have an Asamina Deptos. On to the next pack, with a incoming machine. And that's it here. Moving on to a Succumbing Song Morganite. That's that. And we get a Mimighoul Throne for the Ultra here. And I can already see that we get our next secret rare. It's the Deception of the Sinful Spoils, which is fine. 3 packs left to go. We get the Hollowed Asamina. Second to last pack. We get an Asamina Ilya Sylvia. And we're down to the last pack yet again. Let's see what we get. We get a Primate Raw. And that's it. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.